front, a united leadership. That's primarily what causes it. When it comes to Taraweeh and Tahajjud, should it be done in congregation or separately? So it can be done in congregation and it can be done individually as well. So it's a debate among scholars as to which one is best. Umar ibn al-Khattabi, for example, the hadith is recorded in Sahih Bukhari when he would come out and see people praying individually. So he combined them to pray one behind one imam. And the following day, when he saw them praying behind one imam, he said, "Isn't it better to pray behind one imam?" He said, "Isn't this better? وَالَّذِينَ يَنَامُونَ عَنْهَا خَيْرٌ مِنَ الَّذِينَ يَقُومُونَ لَهَا." And he said, "Yet those who sleep and do it later are better than those who do it now." So Umar, he didn't used to pray with the Jama'ah, he would go home and pray alone. But scholars have not totally accepted the opinion of Umar ibn al-Khattabi, because there's a hadith in which Rasulullah said, when you pray with the imam till he says the salam, then he mentions the reward. Based on this hadith, the scholars have mentioned what is best is that you pray with the imam throughout. At the end of the day, what I always advocate is it should not become a source of arguing and a source of banters in the community.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.